Hey everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing CoffeeCup Website Builder, sharing my own experience using it. Check the description below for links to CoffeeCup and related resources. CoffeeCup is a powerful, versatile website builder designed for designers, developers, and small businesses seeking total design and coding control. It's perfect for hands-on users, blending a visual editor with custom HTML and CSS flexibility. A key feature is the Responsive Site Designer, or RSD, which lets you build fully responsive sites for any device. The drag-and-drop editor lets you visually create layouts while still controlling the underlying code. This hybrid approach offers creative freedom and technical precision. With grid and flexbox layout options, CoffeeCup delivers advanced design capabilities beyond typical website builders. It also offers pre-designed, customizable themes and templates to get you started quickly. These integrate seamlessly with the design tools, allowing you to create unique, professional websites. For developers, CoffeeCup fully supports custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, making it ideal for bespoke designs or integrating third-party tools. Uniquely, CoffeeCup works offline. As a desktop application, build your site without internet, then publish to your chosen host. This gives you full control over your website files and hosting. While not specifically e-commerce focused, CoffeeCup supports integrations for basic online store features. It's better suited for marketing sites, portfolios, and content-driven websites, rather than large e-commerce projects. Overall, CoffeeCup is excellent for those prioritizing design flexibility, offline work, and coding freedom. It's perfect for developers, designers, and small businesses wanting a professional, custom website without the limitations of all-in-one hosted platforms. Check the links below to explore CoffeeCup and see if it meets your website building needs. Hopefully, this review helps you decide if CoffeeCup is the right platform for you.